Filtering clay is an important step in pottery to remove impurities and achieve a smooth, workable clay body. Here's a general guide on how to filter clay for pottery. Materials and equipment. Prepare the clay. Break the raw clay into small chunks, removing any large debris. Place the clay chunks in the container. Add water. Cover the clay chunks with water. Allow the clay to soak in water for several hours or even overnight. This process helps break down the clay and makes it easier to separate impurities. Plastic tarp or canvas. Spread a plastic tarp or canvas on the ground to catch the filtered clay and allow it to dry. Stir and break up clumps. Stir the clay and break up any clumps. The goal is to create a smooth slurry. Pour through the sieves. Set up your sieves with the coarsest mesh size over a bucket or another container. Pour the clay slurry through the sieve, allowing the larger particles and impurities to be filtered out. Repeat this process with progressively finer sieves. Collect the filtered clay. The material collected in the bucket under the sieves is the filtered clay. Allow it to settle, and if needed, you can further refine it by pouring it through finer sieves. Knead and store. Once the clay is dry, knead it to ensure uniform texture. Store it in a sealed plastic bag to prevent it from drying out. Keep in mind that the specifics of the process may vary based on the type of clay you are working with and the equipment available to you. Always follow safety guidelines when working with clay and associated materials.